Hi, I'm Cameron from Tomatoes in Margate. We'd love to see you here for Restaurant Week, March 1st to 7th, so get here and make your reservations.
Hey everybody, we are here inside of Tomatoes in Margate, and I am sitting next to the executive chef Javier. He's going to tell you what you can expect this year for 2015 Atlantic City Restaurant Week. Javier, what do we have in front of us right now?
Okay, first of all, we had sushi, it's like a tempura roll, and also we had a lobster roll here. And also for our dinner, we have curry steak with roasted cauliflower, white beans, and radicchio, and it's served with a chimichurri sauce. And here we had salmon with the mango glaze and the green beans and coconut rice. And of course, we had macaroni and cheese in here. And for finish our meal, we had a key lime pie. Our secret ingredient is we make everything we love. We're happy to see you for Restaurant Week.
Hi, I'm Karen. My husband Carmen and I are the owners of Tomatoes Restaurant in Margate. We'd love to see you for Restaurant Week. We have some great dishes planned. Hope to see you then.
We love tomatoes! Yay!